Hey everyone, welcome to today's lecture on leadership. Leadership is a critical component of any organization as it involves influencing, guiding, and motivating others to achieve common goals. Today we will explore the concept of leadership, its significance, the traits of effective leaders, various leadership theories, and different leadership styles. We will also look at Likert's system of management, which helps us understand how leadership and management are applied in organizations. Let's begin with the concept of leadership. Leadership can be defined as the ability to influence and guide others toward the achievement of organizational goals. It's not just about giving orders, but about inspiring and motivating people to perform at their best. Effective leaders provide a sense of direction, offer guidance, and ensure that the team is moving toward the desired objectives. Now, let's look at the significance of leadership. Leadership plays a crucial role in several areas. Team motivation. A good leader inspires and motivates their team members to give their best performance. Vision. Leadership involves providing a clear vision and direction for the organization. Leaders set goals and help others see the path to achieving them. Conflict resolution. Leaders are also responsible for resolving conflicts within the team, ensuring smooth collaboration and a positive work environment. Change management. In times of change or challenges, a leader guides the team through these transitions, helping them adapt and remain focused. Next, we will discuss the traits of effective leaders. There are certain qualities that distinguish effective leaders from others. Visionary. Leaders have the ability to set a clear vision for the future and communicate that vision to their team. Integrity. Effective leaders are honest and adhere to ethical standards. They build trust within the organization. Empathy. A leader must understand the needs and concerns of their team members and address them accordingly. Decisiveness. Leaders are capable of making timely and effective decisions even in challenging situations. Communication skills. Clear and persuasive communication is a must for any leader, ensuring that their message is understood by the team. Now let's move on to the theories of leadership. These theories offer different perspectives on what makes a leader effective. First one is trait theory. This theory focuses on identifying specific traits and characteristics that leaders possess, such as confidence, intelligence, and responsibility. Then behavioral theory. Unlike trait theory, behavioral theory emphasizes the behavior of leaders and how they interact with their followers. This theory outlines different leadership styles, including autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire. Contingency theory is there. This theory suggests that leadership effectiveness depends on the situation and context. One well-known model is Fiedler's contingency model, which asserts that a leader's effectiveness is determined by both their leadership style and the situation. Then there is transformational leadership. In this style, leaders inspire and motivate their followers to achieve extraordinary outcomes and foster positive change. Then transactional leadership is there. This leadership style focuses on routine exchanges between the leader and followers, such as rewarding employees for meeting performance targets. Leadership styles are another important aspect to consider. Different situations call for different leadership approaches, and this include autocratic, means the leader makes decisions unilaterally with little inputs from others. This style can be effective in situations requiring quick decision making. Then there is democratic, in which decisions are made collaboratively with input from the team. This approach often leads to greater employee satisfaction and creativity. Then this laissez-faire is there. In this style, leaders provide minimal direction and allow employees to make decisions independently. It's most effective with highly skilled and motivated teams. Then transformational. Leaders using this style inspire and motivate employees to go beyond their self-interest for the good of the organization. Then transactional is there. This style focuses on exchanges between leaders and followers, such as offering rewards for achieving specific goals. Let's now discuss Likert's system of management, which outlines different management styles that organizations can adopt. System 1, which is exploitative, authoritative. In this model, decision making is centralized and motivation is driven by fear and coercion. There is little trust between management and employees. System 2, benevolent, authoritative. In this, decision making is still centralized, but there is some concern for employees' needs. However, it remains largely authoritative. System 3, participative group. In this system, decision making is decentralized and employees actively participate in the process. There is more trust and collaboration between the management and staff. And there is system 4, which is participative. This is the most decentralized model with significant employee input and decision making. It fosters high levels of trust, collaboration, and engagement within the organization. In summary, leadership is critical to the success of any organization. It involves guiding, inspiring, and motivating individuals and teams to achieve their best. From understanding leadership theories and styles to recognizing the traits of effective leaders, it's clear that leadership requires a combination of vision, empathy, and the ability to adapt to different situations. I hope this lecture has provided you with the valuable insights into the world of leadership. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to apply these principles in your own leadership journey.